Give them a
and I will be your anchor for today's program. Along with me, I have Hari Prasad as my anchoring partner. We are gathered here to bid farewell to our talented, hardworking students who have spent the last few years with us, growing, learning and making unforgettable memories. We'd like to take a moment to recognize some of the outstanding achievements of our class and students.
We are honored to have Pawan Sai among us, who has made us proud with his outstanding achievements in boxing. His dedication, commitment and passion for the sport are truly inspiring.
Next, we are honored to have Pulita among us, who has demonstrated exceptional skills, strength and flexibility in gymnastics. Your impressive collection of gold medals is a testament to your hard work. We are so proud of you. Lastly, we want to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude and admiration for your incredible achievements in the school game federation. Your dedication, commitment and teamwork have been an inspiration to us all, and your achievements have brought pride and recognition to our school. We are grateful for the memories and experiences you have shared with us, and we are proud to have you as representatives of our school. Congratulations on your achievements.
Praise and recognition. And now it's time to shift gears and get this party started.
We have a fantastic lineup of dancers who are ready to cross the stage to give a speech on your farewell. I want to start my speech with what is farewell. You guys are having your exams from March 21st to 2nd April. But from April 3rd, you guys won't be seeing this ground or this stage, your 10th ABC classes, or you will be waking up late in the homes because you don't have any morning assemblies. You will not touch the books because you don't have any teachers to scold you. And you will feel always bored because you have no friends to chit-chat with. And you will not be able to get any punishments because you don't have any sirs to punish you. But most of all, you will not be wearing the uniform. Yes, our school uniform. But you will always remember your entire school memories. This is what farewell is. You think you are leaving everything physically behind. But you don't know how, but you are carrying everything with you emotionally and mentally. You know what? What is the special thing about our school? We came to Montessori at the age of 5 to 6 years. We cried there because we were going to school, leaving our parents. But even today in 10th class, you guys will definitely cry. It's not because you are coming to school, but it's because that you are leaving the school. Now when the topic comes to our seniors, I and all the juniors wish to see you in the bright future with lots of success and happiness in your life. Take the right path which leads to be the perfect example for someone. Maybe your parents have great expectations on you, and I wish you will definitely do it. We have so many life ambitions, but wherever you go, however you be, never forget that you are supporters. Yes, your parents and teachers are the biggest reason for your success after your struggle and hard work. At last, I just want to say that the relation between a school and a student is same like mother and a baby. A mother carries a baby for 9 months in her womb. Same like that, school and teachers also protect the student for 13 years, that is from Montessori to 10th class. As we never let our mother expectations down, keeping this in mind, we should also never let our school name and our teacher's name go down. Thank you. Have a great farewell.
आज 10वीं कक्षा के इस विदाई समारोह के अवसर पर कुछ अपने विचार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ। आज हम सभी यहाँ इस विदाई समारोह के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। हमें बड़ा दुख व्यक्त हो रहा है कि हमारे 10वीं कक्षा के छात्र हमें तथा इस पाठशाला को छोड़कर जा रहे हैं, लेकिन साथ ही साथ हमें इस बात की प्रसन्नता भी है कि वे अपने भविष्य की पहली सीढ़ी पार कर आगामी भविष्य के लिए अग्रसर हो रहे हैं। इसीलिए मैं उन्हें सहृदय से उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। आपकी सारी इस पाठशाला से जुड़ी यादें सदा हमारे साथ रहेंगी। धन्यवाद।
My dear colleagues and dear students, Jai Shri Krishna to one and all. Farewell party. It is actually enjoyment time for you. I think many are not interested to listen any message from teacher's side. Still, teachers are always give some important message to you all for upcoming days. So, dear students, as we stand here today on the cusp of a new chapter, I can't help but feel a mixture of pride and bittersweet emotions. It has been an incredible privilege to the teachers who taught you, who molded you, and who guided you, to witness your growth and to share in your dreams and challenges. Remember that curiosity is the key to unlocking knowledge, and never be afraid to ask the questions. Most importantly, one thing I am going to tell you children, you always believe in yourself, for your potentials is boundless. You trust yourself, you believe yourself, you work for your conscience first. I am confident that you will achieve great things in your life. As you step out into the world, carry with you the values of kindness, empathy and integrity. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Pursue your passions with determination. Wishing you success and happiness in your future endeavors. So last में हम एक ही कहना चाहते हैं, आपको जो पसंद है वही पढ़ाई करिएगा। जहाँ पर आपको सफल मिलता है उसी रास्ता पर चलिएगा। बट जो कुछ भी आप सीखते हो, एटिकेट हो, डिसिप्लिन हो, कल्चर हो, काइंडनेस हो और कम्युनिकेशन क्यों ना हो, ये सब आप जब सब टीचर से ही सीखे सो है। भले आज आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, बट वन फाइन डे within a few years you remember all the words, all the knowledge what the teachers gave it to you. Definitely it will work out and start giving the fruits after 5 to 6 years. So अंत में एक ही छोटा सा, चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। मतलब अपने को कभी भी अलविदा है ही नहीं है। बार बार आप आते रहेंगे अपने स्कूल को, अपना अचीवमेंट बताने के लिए, अपना टीचर्स से मिलने के लिए और अपने यंगस्टर्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। सो हम दिल से सभी टीचर्स आपको यही आशीर्वाद करेंगे कि आपको कोई लिमिट नहीं है। स्काई इज योर लिमिट। All the very best children. Thank you madam for giving the opportunity.
Today we are gathered to bid farewell to a remarkable group of individuals who have learned, grown and flourished within this school wall. One thing I would like to tell you. जीवन के मोड़ पर आशा और निराशा है। जीवन के हर मोड़ पर आशा और निराशा है। मिलना और बिछड़ना तो जिंदगी की परिभाषा है। So it's a both emotional and happiness feeling. Sad because you people are leaving us, and happy that you going forward for achieving your dreams. Your journey at this school may be ending, but a new adventure is just beginning. Carry your dreams, hard work and confidence forward, and success will surely follow. Saying goodbye is never easy, but we know that you are destined for greatness. Keep learning, keep exploring, and never stop believing in yourself. As you step out into the world, remember that knowledge is your greatest power and kindness is your strongest strength. Make us proud wherever you go. School was just a first chapter of your life. Now it's time to write the next one with colorful passion and determination. You are not just living behind a school. You are carrying forward memories, of course friendship, and valuable lessons. Choose your dream and let the world see your brilliance. Swami Vivekananda said that take risk in life. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. So every failure is just another step toward a brighter future. विदाई तो दस्तूर है जमाने का, विदाई तो दस्तूर है जमाने का पुराना, पर जहाँ भी जाना छाप कुछ ऐसी छोड़ जाना, छाप कुछ ऐसी छोड़ जाना कि हर कोई गुनगाए तुम्हारा तराना. For 10th class students, thank you for your wonderful memory. Last thing I would like to say, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा HPS हमारा, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा HPS हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा. Okay, thank you.
School gave me super friends, brilliant teachers and sirs, playgrounds and knowledge. All these 10 years have been so special for me. Sometimes when teachers and sirs scolded us for doing something naughty, we used to think teachers and sirs are really bad. But now as we all grown up, I just think how special these teachers and sirs are. They treat us like their own kids. This school has gave me a lot. I am surely going to miss you all. Of course, who can forget these friends, the superwomen and men of our lives. Friends are so special, good God gifts. So don't you ever forget your dear ones. My friends have helped me through bad times and difficult times. Though sometimes we did have fights, but they all were fun. This school is really big family which I am going to leave now. Exams and all were just great fun. I just want to thank all of you for being here, and if I have ever done something wrong, please forget me. It will mean a lot. Goodbye. Thank you.
I am Kushlin of class 10 and I am standing here before of you for the last time as it our last day at school today. I speak on the behalf of everyone who will be leaving the school and going to the another school for senior secondary classes. I want to give a short farewell speech as a student leaving the school. As a student leaving the school can express gratitude, celebrate achievements and look forward to the future. I am going to miss everyone, including my friends and teachers. This farewell is not the end of all the bonds we created, but it's a goodbye to our campus life. I am sure that the values our school have filled us with so much confidence that we can readily take on any challenge. This knowledge that our teachers gave us will be our weapon for the life ahead. We all are going to a new phase of life. Let us brace ourselves to face the new journey with a strong mindset. Every end is a new beginning. Embrace the future with open arms. Lastly, I would like to thank all the teachers. You all really helped us to improve our skills and achieve our goals. I am very thankful for everything you did us. Your ability to teach us and motivate us has